Hey everyone, I'm Rosie and welcome to this video. So today is Gemstone Day. You may remember from my last video that I cut out a few gemstones and didn't end up using them. So since then, I've been finding gemstones everywhere, diamonds and emeralds and everything in between, and I've been cutting them out and I think that they're beautiful and I want to use them in something. Now, I don't have a whole lot of ideas on what we should do. The only idea I did have was if we could find a guy in like a suit and we cut his head off and then put one of these gems on his head and then he has a suit and then maybe we could give him a funny necklace and he'd be like, I don't know, I just thought like that image popped in my head and I thought it was kind of a cool idea, but obviously we have to find a dude in a suit and I don't know if we're gonna do that. So let's do what we always do. Start flipping through the books and pull out stuff that we think might work and go from there. So let's do it. All right, guys, let's talk about what we found now. So I found a few guys in suits, varying sizes, and I think this might work. One of these has to work for the vision I had in my head. The other thing I found was this lady who's like wearing an old-fashioned outfit, and I thought maybe we could do the same idea where we cut her head off and stick a gem in it. Just if the suits don't work, I don't know actually. But I cut her out just because I kind of liked her. Then I also have this person who we could do the same thing, cut the head out, and then maybe we could even cut the glasses out and put the glasses on the gem. Kind of weird. Might be funny, though. Now, the last thing, so this is going to sound weird, but for some reason in my head with the suit guy with the gem head, so basically it'd be like something like that. Wow, that's okay. That's cool. That is perfect, exactly. Oh my God, okay, I'm very excited. But the last thing, again, this is weird, but I thought that maybe it would be cool or funny if we gave him a necklace made of human teeth. Again, weird, but I knew that I had these teeth that are from like an anatomy book. I had them cut out already from some other project, and I think that maybe if we like gave him a little necklace and then had the teeth coming off of it, I just think for some reason in my head that's like kind of a cool image. So again, this guy is working already, so I think we can maybe just kind of do that. I do have exactly the same copy of this gemstone, so maybe he works somewhere else. Again, I think we should cut out these people and start pairing the gems together and see if this works. And then the tooth idea, I kind of want to do it, so it means we're going to do it because I'm in charge around here. But let's start cutting out these guys and sort of see what comes together. All right, we got everything cut out, so let's move some of these other people out of the way and focus on this one guy that we thought his head worked really well. All right, lots of gems happening here. Okay, so let me get a piece of paper so we can sort of see what's happening. All right, so we got this dude. We're gonna cover him up. Oh my God, that's so good. That is so good. Okay, and then I have the teeth. Just so we can throw them on and see what they look like. Okay, I think that's kind of what I'm going for. I do have, okay, so this sort of turns this from collage to a mixed media. So I have this white gel pen that I can draw a white line on to make him a necklace because I don't really want to cut out a tiny little slip of paper. So I've done this a few times with a white gel pen and I think it will show up good, at least on his dark suit it will. So I think that this is kind of funny. What if we tilt it a little bit more? I'm gonna cut out his head eventually, and then I can shove the gem underneath so it will really look like it's in there. So I think that I think that that's the way we should go. I actually really like this teeth necklace. I think it's gonna look really cool. There's something super weird about this. All right, so let's move these and cut this guy's head off. I like that. So it's behind this section, but in front of that section. I think that works. Okay, so we got the teeth. So I'm really liking this. I think we should keep going with this. And I think that he should probably be in a background. Maybe. Like, he shouldn't just sit on white, I think. Now, what should that background be? Great question. I don't know. Should we do like a landscape? Oh, we could find a landscape with mountains down here. Slip him into the mountains. So then it'll also be like he's really big. That could be kind of funny. I think that I have to look through some more books to look for some sort of background. And if I don't find anything I love, I think he'll be fine without a background, but I just think that would really elevate this. I'm giving him a tooth necklace. I don't think we can like elevate anything, but I think that it will tie the whole piece together. So let's go look for a background for this dude. All right, I actually think that I like this background. Now, do I want to flip it upside down? Like this? Or did I like it the other way? Yeah, I actually think I kind of like that. And I think ultimately I will be cropping it in a little bit more. I think that I like this. Now, a few thoughts. I should probably like cut a slit or cut a wavy, I don't know, cut something to slip him inside so he's sort of like in the galaxy. I think that might work. And then the other thing, I found this cactus that I actually really like, and I was thinking maybe it could be in the background. I think it might look cool. I think I'll cut it out and we can always not use it. But I think if I just take, well, I think I'll take both of them actually. I'll take all of this out. All right, got my cactus cut out. I think that if I would want to just put it, oh God, maybe this isn't gonna work. I spent so much time cutting out this cactus and I'm like, just kidding, I hate it. I don't, okay. Well, I'm a little bit worried about that because I'm gonna have the necklace and it's gonna be blocking that. Oh God. Okay. On second thought, cactus doesn't work. It's all right. It will go into my box of cut things that I'll use at some other point. So, all right, let's ditch no cactus. So, I think that we should just cut out a space here in the galaxy for him to slip in, and then once we get the tooth necklace on, I think, and then I will probably end up, cropping this in a little bit more to make the whole thing a little tighter. But I think that will be done after that. I kind of think this is interesting. All right, let's do it. Okay, I totally just guessed with that cut, but I got lucky. It is a little bit off center, so I probably will have to crop a little bit off. But I kind of think that that's interesting. I like it. Okay, now what's next? Okay, the teeth. Let's rearrange those back in here and see what we're looking like. Okay. Okay, I'm liking this a lot. Oh, this is so fun. I'm so happy with this. Now, okay, last thing to do is to draw his necklace line in with this white gel pen. Now, this is terrifying because I mean, it's hard to get off if I screw it up. So, I'm just gonna I don't know, I'm just gonna hope and pray. Basically, okay, I did have a pencil. Let me see if I can mark a little bit of what I want, at least. All right, I think that that's perfect. Okay, I'm very happy with that. Let's put it all together. We're getting towards the end of this. This is exciting. It's funny because I woke up this morning thinking about this image and a guy in a suit with a gem head with a tooth necklace, and look at us. We're making it happen. We're making my dreams come true. We're done. I am in love with this. I think it's so funny, and I love that his tie is green and the gem is green, and I love that he's coming out of this galaxy. I don't know. I love this so much. It's so fun. So I think that we're done here. Like, I know that I had like 10 gems at the beginning, but I'm glad we used one of them. I'll just have to use the other one some other time, and that's fine. So, okay, this is it. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that you enjoy the art. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next Thursday for another collage journey. Bye.